What causes furnace ignitors to crack? Furnace ignitors usually crack from repeated heating and cooling, rough handling, moisture, contamination, incorrect mounting, or electrical problems that make them run too hot. A furnace ignitor is a small part that becomes extremely hot to light the gas burner. Many are made from silicon carbide or silicon nitride, which can handle high temperatures but are also brittle. Each heating cycle makes the igniter expand, and each cooling cycle makes it shrink, creating stress that can eventually cause a crack. A sudden temperature change, such as moisture touching a hot igniter, can cause thermal shock and break it quickly. Touching the igniter with bare fingers can leave oil on its surface, creating a hot spot that weakens the material. The igniter can also crack if it is forced into the wrong position, pressed against the burner, or tightened too much. Less commonly, incorrect voltage, a failing control board, or poor wiring can make it overheat. When replacing one, use the exact approved part, keep it clean, make sure it is properly aligned, and check whether the burner flame is hitting it directly. A common mistake is touching a replacement igniter with your fingers, so hold it by the edges or use clean gloves. Another mistake is replacing the igniter without checking the mounting bracket and burner position, so look for contact, bending, or a flame aimed at the part. Some people keep resetting the furnace after an igniter cracks, but repeated resets can hide a wiring or control problem, so shut off the furnace and have a qualified technician test it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.